Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medcom Companion channel. Today in this lecture we will discuss how beta-lactamase enzyme inactivate the penicillin molecule. Penicillin molecule contain beta-lactam ring which is required for its antibacterial activity. Beta-lactamase enzyme directly attack to this beta-lactam ring and inactivate the penicillin molecule. Or how they open the beta-lactam rings we will see in this lecture. Basically there are two types of beta-lactamase enzyme. First one is serine beta-lactamase enzyme which contain or which have serine amino acid in its structure. Second one is metallo beta-lactamase enzyme which have metal ions to play a role in attacking the beta-lactam ring. So first we will discuss how serine beta-lactamase enzyme attack the beta-lactam ring and inactivate the penicillin molecule. So this is your penicillin molecule and this is your beta-lactamase enzyme which have serine amino acid in its structure, and on the serine molecule there are present this hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group, you know very well, it acts as a good nucleophile. So because it have two lone pair of electron on its oxygen atom. But here this carbonyl carbon, the carbon which is attached to this double bonded oxygen atom, this carbonyl carbon has slight positive charge. So this carbonyl carbon act as a electrophile. So this nucleophile attacked on to this carbonyl carbon and open this beta-lactam ring to form a transient enzyme antibiotic intermediate. This is your transient enzyme antibiotic intermediate. This intermediate is formed for a short period of time because it readily reacts with water molecule, and hydrolysis of this intermediate takes place, and this transient enzyme antibiotic intermediate react very quickly or readily with water molecule and gets hydrolyzed into hydrolyzed antibiotic, which is a inactive form of penicillin molecule, because here beta-lactam ring is no more present. It opens into an acyclic form, and beta-lactamase enzyme again regenerated. So this is your regenerated enzyme, and this regenerated enzyme again ready to attack the another fresh penicillin molecule. So in this way this cycle continues, and single beta-lactamase serine beta-lactamase enzyme attacks several penicillin molecule and inactivate them. In this manner this enzyme inactivate the penicillin molecule. Now we will see how metallo-beta-lactamase enzyme inactivate the penicillin molecule. Metallo-beta-lactamase enzyme utilizes a bound zinc 2+ ion to activate this water molecule for hydrolytic attack of the beta-lactam ring. Metallo-beta-lactamase have 1 or 2 zinc 2+ ion rather than a serine at the active site. So this enzyme do not have serine residue at the active site. This have zinc 2+ ion at the active site, which is bounded to histidine amino acids. So hydrolysis of beta-lactam ring requires a reaction of a nucleophile at the carbonyl carbon, this carbonyl carbon, but this water is not a strong enough nucleophile as a hydroxide ion to carry out such a reaction, hydrolytic reaction. So what zinc will do? Zinc 2+ ion function by facilitating ionization of one water molecule. Zinc ionizes this one water molecule and form a hydroxide ion. So ionization of this water molecule generate what? Hydroxide ion. So here hydroxide ion is generated, and this hydroxide ion further function as a nucleophile to react at the carbonyl carbon. So this hydroxyl ion function as a nucleophile and attack on this carbonyl carbon, which act as a electrophile, and in this way they directly hydrolyzes this beta-lactam ring, and ring opening takes place, and in this way this active penicillin molecule gets converted into inactive antibiotics. So these are the two mechanisms by which beta lactamase enzyme inactivate the penicillin. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.